In a heated moment inside the North Gauteng High Court, Advocate Baloyi tried to pin down Muzi Sibia on his assault claims. But what followed left the courtroom stunned. Sibia refused to be cornered, insisting he was assaulted inside the Lethabong Municipal Building, not outside. And when questioned about the plastic tube, his reply shook the narrative completely. Fighting for his freedom, Sibia said, "No, not today, Mr. Prosecutor." Stay tuned, because what Sibia said next might change how we view the entire confession saga.
So you say from your uncle's room, according to your version, you did not proceed to Tembisa Hostel as testified to by Sergeant Mukhola. Instead, you were taken straight to a place called Lethabong in Tembisa.
Cha, cela ukuyiqala phansi lento le ngoba mhlambe ayizisisekanga kahle. Bafike bangibopha. La bangibopha khona kule jet abangibopha kulo bangithatha bangisa emkhukhwini kaMalume. La bangishiya khona ngaphandle egate bangena ngaphakathi bayabuya bathi akukho umuntu. Kwahanjwa kwayiwe Lethabong. Akubuye Lethabong ilaba bafika khona bakhahlela umkhukhu kaMalume bangena ngaphakathi. Yilaba bathi mabeqeda khona ukusesha emkhukhwini kaMalume mase khanjwa yilaba bangishishisa khona impahla. La ukhanjwa khona sekubhekwe kuphi eFosorus lapha kwaMasipala.
Mr. Sibia, we don't want to interrupt you in any way, but we are now at Lethabong. You have been to your uncle's place, and according to your version, you proceed from your uncle's place to Lethabong.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Yes. And you say you describe this Lethabong as a municipal building.
We built kaMasipala.
That's correct.
And you testify that you were taken inside a room, is that correct?
Yeah.
That's correct.
And you said this room looks like what? Can you just place that on record?
Libuka ngathi i-changing room.
Look like a changing room.
Like yasemafemini la ukushintshelwa khona impahla. Ngokubona kwami ngayibona kanjalo le.
That is how it appeared to me when I looked at it.
And that is where you were assaulted?
Yila owashayelwa khona.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Inside that room?
Ngaphakathi kulelo gumbi lelo.
Yeah.
Yes.
During cross-examination of Colonel Hadebe, and this we see on the record, 24 October 2023, page 20, lines 11 to 14. 24 October 2023, page 20, lines 11 to 14. Mr. Mgomezulu put the following proposition to Colonel Hadebe. I will clarify that, my lord, because it is my version. It is a version of the accused. On the day he was arrested on 30 May 2020, he was assaulted by the police outside the house.
Outside the house?
Yes, outside the house. He was assaulted by the police in Tembisa at a place called Lethabong.
Okay.
Lethabong ngokwesibili ngena la eboxini. Lethabong ngihlale ngisho ngashayelwa ngaphakathi ekuleya ndliyana ngoba ngithi bangehlisa emotweni bangifaka ngaphakathi kuleya ndlela la bangishayela khona. Manje ngoba kade ngithula ufakazi bami nje la eKatolo. Ngisasho futhi bangithatha bangifaka ngaphakathi kuleya ndlela ya.
So you say that proposition is wrong, that you were assaulted outside the house?
Angeke ngize ngikhulume side ngamgomezulu mara ngikhuluma mina lokho ukuthi mina engushoyo ilokho engusho phambi kweKatolo eqaleni mangifika kwi-trial namanje engushoyo ukuthi ngashayelwa ngaphakathi kuleya ndlela ya.
You have then described the manner of the assault there inside the room. You say, amongst others, you were tortured through the plastic method, plastic being placed on your face and suffocated.
Plastic babe wenza so ayikudonsa.
Okay.
Babe uvala so ubuso. Yebo kunjalo.
That is correct.
Is it all as far as torturing through that plastic is concerned? They
Look.
Covered your face and your head and held the plastic at your back as you described.
Ku plastic.
With regards to the plastic?
Yes, yes.
Yebo.
yebo lokho ngoplastic ababekwenza.
Yes, that's the only thing they did with the plastic.
Now, if someone was to tell this court that they sprayed that plastic with pepper spray, that the plastic was laced with pepper spray, what would your comment be?
Noma ngingakusho ngendlela wawunuka ngayo ngoba ngibonanga ngangacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe primary wona wawunuka ngendlela engajwayelekile kunoku plastic. Kodwa ke la eKatolo mina ngithe basebenzisa iplastic bangishupha ngayo.
Yes, you never mentioned the pepper spray. Is it correct?
Angisakhumbuli noma ngakhuluma ngayo. Kodwa njengamanje akaze ngikhulume ngepaper spray. Into engiyifakela erecording ukuthi iplastic babengishupha ngayo.
But Mr. Sibia, you'll agree that the fact that the plastic was layered with pepper spray is crucial.
Indlela enganguzwa unuka ngayo wanganuki njengoplastic ukujwayeleka kwaPlastic. Ingakho ungizwa mangikhuluma manje eKatolo ngoba ngikhuluma ubufakazi bamanje nje ngifungile. Ngingayifaki indaba yepaper spray ngoba anginabo ubufakazi obuphelele ukuthi yayikhona noma yayingekho. Kodwa uPlastic wanganuki ngendlela ejwayele ukunuka oplastic.
Yeah, but you never testified about that fact that the plastic did not smell in the normal way.
Yebo noma ngingashongo kodwa khona kusho ukuthi akwenzakalanga.
You see, Mr. Ramsipili put the following proposition to Ms. Zandi Kumalo during the proceedings of 20 July 2023, page 65, lines 15 to 18, describing the assault there at Letabong, says, and I quote, "He was covered with a plastic bag held against his face tightly, the face, the nose, the mouth, the eyes, and laced with pepper spray, tortured for several hours." So it was put as a fact that the plastic was laced with pepper spray.
Nangoba sengibuya isibili nje sengifakaze kawuthula eboxini ngingaphansi kwesifungo. Angaze ngize ngisibale ipaper spray. Engikushilo ngathi iplastic babe ngifasa iplastic babe ngivala ngayo ubuso. Ubufakazi bami bunjalo. Manje ngisasho phakathi kwale Katolo le ukuthi uplastic babe ngivala ngayo bengivala amakhala bengivala umlomo bengivala amehlo ayevaleka namadlebe konke bengivala umoya ukuthi ngingakhona ukuphefumula ngangakhona vele ukuphefumula.
But if the plastic was laced with pepper spray that would have added more pain
Good.
because the pepper spray has got a burning sensation.
Angiyazi pepper spray ukuthi yenza kanjani.
I don't know.
Kodwa
Sorry. Correct.
kodwa ukunuka kweplastic la ninganuki njengeplastic ejwayelekile njengokunuka kweplastic okujwayelekile. Ubufakazi bami ngibuthulile la ngikhulume ngeplastic engangivalwa ngayo umoya. Hayi kayi1 ngikhulume ngabo kayi2. Khulume kwi-trial ngaphinda ngakhuluma kwi-main trial.
So you distance yourself from this proposition.
Angaze ngisho ngiyachaza ukuthi uplastic wawunuka ngendlela engejwayelekile kunoku plastic. Amaphoyisa yiwa ngasitshena ukuthi ayifake ini kule plastic uzinganuki njengeplastic ejwayelekile.
All right, we'll leave it there for argument.
So was Advocate Baloyi trying to twist the timeline of Sibia's assault, or simply exposing inconsistencies? And what was really inside that plastic tube? Pepper spray or something even more sinister? Let's talk about it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because this courtroom drama is far from over. I'm Skybreach, and thanks for watching. Bye.